Track 21. Finger licking, fish and chips. Inspired by Ludacris, what's your fantasy? This dish is a modified, healthier version to the classic fish and chips. Baking the fish instead of frying will significantly help to reduce the fat and calorie content. The potatoes are also baked to provide a healthier alternative to French fries. Add a healthy salad on the side and you will be licking the leftovers from your head to your toes. This recipe provides 630 calories, 20 grams of total fat, 26% of your daily value, 2 grams of saturated fat, 10% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 100 milligrams of cholesterol, 33% of your daily value, 3,120 milligrams of sodium, 136% of your daily value, 26 grams of carbohydrate, 23% of your daily value, 8 grams of fiber, 29% of your daily value, 0 grams of sugar, 50 grams of protein, 100% of your daily value. Ingredients: 1 pound of fish fillets cut into sticks, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or canola oil, 1/3 cup of crispy rice cereal or cornflake crumbs, 1 whole potato cut into thin slices, 1 small salad. Directions: preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and dry the fish fillets. Season each fillet with sea salt and pepper as desired. Coat with oil. Dip the fish fillets into the cereal crumbs. Arrange the fillets on shallow non-stick pan and bake for 12 minutes. Don't turn. Cut the whole potato into thin slices and spread on a separate non-stick baking sheet. Add to oven and cook until golden brown. Serve with the